Okay, this big old thing. Yes, playing it with the repeat. That's part of it. I feel 80 beats per minute is a good goal for you to reach or shoot for. And if 80 beats per minute starts to feel easy, then try it a little faster. Try it at 85, then try it at 90. Definitely shoot to get 80 down. Feel good with that. So something you can do is just like one section at a time. And I say section because that little lead or fill, whatever you want to call it, it happens at the end of every other bar. So if you need to work things up, this is a good idea. You can start at 60. I would go up in twos, not fives, because if you need to actually work it up, I would go up in twos, because we're playing some pretty fast stuff here. So going up in fives, starting at 60 wouldn't make much sense for this sort of thing. Starting at 50 would be even better, like 50, 52, 54, and so on until you get up to the 80. But ideally, you just put this on Guitar Pro, put it on loop until you can play it at 80. Just go for it. Go for it. And then same thing here. Just go for that, and then go for this, and then eventually, be able to play all that, and do one line at a time, and then maybe like half of it at a time, or something like that. So I just want you to just get used to starting at 80 without warming up into it. Because once you can hear the rhythm, I want you to feel it, understand it, just go for it. Go for it. So, speaking of, let's go for it. I'm just going to use the metronome, but you play along with Guitar Pro. Part of the guitar is cut off. There we go. Da 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 1 da da 2 da 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 3 da 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 4 da da da. Go. Why didn't that stop? Well, now it stopped. Anyway, yeah, I did slide up a couple times from the 3 to the 5 here. Not necessary to do. In fact, if you want to try that, that's fine. But if it seems like it's messing you up, don't do it. Only do it if it feels okay. Almost messed me up big time at one point. Anyway, so there we go. Any questions, let me know. I will see you again next week.